Want to get your photos a moody, nostalgic look? Let me show you how to use the lo-fi dusk effect on Instagram using your iPhone. First, open the Instagram app. Tap the plus icon to create a new story. Select the photo you'd like to edit from your camera roll. Once your photo is loaded, tap the effects icon at the top of the screen. Scroll through the effects menu at the bottom and tap on Lo-fi Dusk to apply it to your image. Once you're happy with the look, tap Done in the top right corner. Now you can tap the arrow button to share your story with your friends or add it to your highlights. You can select the friends to whom you can share your story or just upload the story. You can check your story to see the uploaded photo.